Alright guys, so Home Depot's made this jacket deal even sweeter. So originally, whenever you bought one of these jackets, either the tough shell or the hoodie kit, men's or women's, then you got one battery and a charger with it. Well, now they have included another free battery. So not only do you get one battery now, you get two. Also included is any of these battery kits, the 3-pack or the 2-packs with the chargers, or even just a single battery, you're still going to get this battery for free. So all together you can get any of the jackets, any of the batteries and chargers for the M12, and get a free battery. So they've definitely stepped it up on this one. So be sure to go down to Home Depot and check this out. It lasts till December 31st of this year. That's 2023. So looking for something for your man for Christmas, this is a good place to start. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.